Stop by and take a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.